Hey everyone. In Photoshop, AI has changed our interactivity with the canvas. As designers and artists, we don't just paint, we converse. But does this instant feedback build confidence or just speed? When I flip to Gemini 2.5 Flash Nano Banana, I can generate and cycle through different ideas in the time it used to take to sketch one idea. It offers ideas I hadn't considered, giving me the confidence to explore new creative directions. Then there's FLUX.1 Kontext Pro. The level of precision here is staggering. That's where the doubt creeps in. If the AI handles the perfection, what is left for the artist? Let's be honest, it can make you second guess everything. We have more power than ever, but I wonder if we're losing our creative gut feeling in the process. Are we mastering these tools or are we letting them lead? What are your thoughts? And drop a comment with your take.